Have you ever searched your whole life for something that you didn't even know was missing? That's exactly how I felt when I stumbled upon the Crow Hill Company's absurdly quiet Piano Pro. The moment I heard it, I knew. This was the piano sound I'd been waiting for. The second I started playing, I just couldn't stop composing. And the magic of this sound lies in the fact that they recorded every single note at the very edge of silence. That moment where the hammer just barely touches the string. And a quick disclaimer, I bought this instrument myself, so there's no sponsorship, no affiliation, just my honest experience. So today I'm going to put this instrument to the test with 3 pieces that I wrote. An intimate cinematic piano piece, a dark and moody lo-fi piano piece, and a classical Erik Satie inspired composition. Let's start with example number 1. An intimate cinematic piano piece. You can hear it playing now, and if you'd like to listen to the full version without my commentary, then check out the link in the description below. Here are the settings that I used. On the left, there are 2 wheels, one for low high-pass filters and the other for adjusting the sample start. And this piano offers 2 mic setups, one at the soundboard and one at the hammers. The hammer mics sound slightly brighter, while the soundboard mics are warmer and rounder. Each has its own moment to shine. For this piece, I blended the mic setups and lowered the mechanical sounds, which are the keystrokes and pedal noise, to keep the focus on the piano's tone. I left all the other effects untouched, so you're hearing the dry sound. No reverb, no compression, just pure, intimate piano. Doesn't it sound incredible? It's so realistic. It almost feels like I could reach out and hug the strings, but let me know what you think. Now let's get on with example number 2. The lo-fi piano sound. Let me play a snippet so you can hear the sound before I dive into the details. Now that you've got the vibe, here's how I achieved it. I layered on the effects knackered tape, a bit of compression, some granular sparkles, and a touch of reverb, basically building a vintage atmosphere sound around it. I also stuck to the soundboard mics and added a bit of mechanical noise for a live, organic feel. I love how it's lo-fi and warbly, yet still intimate, like a vintage piano recording with a modern touch. And while we jump to example number 3, let me know in the comments which of these 3 piano pieces is your favorite so far. Example number 3. An Erik Satie inspired piano piece. And finally, I wanted to explore a more natural and spacious sound. And here's a snippet of my Erik Satie inspired piano piece. For this one, I focused on the hammer mics, with just a touch of hall reverb and mechanical noise for the pedal and keystrokes. No other effects. So what do you think? I'm really happy with it. It sounds natural and spacious, yet it doesn't lose that signature intimacy. And the best part? You can blend in the other effects to make it your own sound. Honestly, at just €35, I haven't found any downsides yet. And the Crow Hill Company's pricing is refreshingly fair compared to some of its competitors. They're upfront about what it is: an intimate piano. No felt, just pure quiet tone. It's not designed to cut through dense pop mixes, so give it room to shine, and keep that in mind for any of you working in the more heavy genres. Either way, I'm very happy with my purchase, and I hope you found this short review helpful. If you'd like to hear the full piano compositions, then check them out via my free community page and have a listen there, and of course, join the conversation. I wish you happy composing, stay creative, stay inspired, and for now, see you next time.